20 years in the making. The wait is finally over, and the time is now. What every American has been dreaming of, even if they didn't ask for it. A brand new theme park. And not just any theme park, an epic theme park. Dun dun dun. From the people who brought you Fast and the Furious Supercharged and seasonal pricing that defies logic, comes an experience so immersive you'll question your life choices before you even scan your ticket. Featuring epic lands like Middle Age World, where you too can be a kid again. Because what's more epic than a $180 therapy session disguised as a Mario ride? Harry Millennial, agency of overpriced wands, where grown adults don't let kids have fun. Kid, move it along, I'm not done here. Kid, I can't get this, it's gonna be a while. Actually, a long while. Too long to keep going. So we're moving on. Gen X Land, Wolfman's got nards. Come, relive your VHS-era childhood where the monsters are back, but your knees aren't.
Kick him in the north! He doesn't have north!
How to tame your expectations. I mean, we had to put something in for the kids, right? Ah, screw it. Boom! Grown-up ride. Super Mario, Harry Potter, How to Train Your Dragon. Oh my. Because nothing says cohesive storytelling like throwing every franchise we own into one park and hoping the synergy holds.
Not an easy task.
This is epic, and we mean epic wait times. Spend 2 hours waiting for a 3-minute ride through the Ministry of Magic. But don't worry, while you wait, enjoy the constant thread of ride breakdowns and those joyful moments when they announce it's back up. There's plenty of time to sit on stairs, browse Reddit, and watch your phone battery die like your hopes of riding before sunset. Then rush on over to Super Nintendo World to enter another queue with more waiting, more stairs, and more anxiety over ride breakdowns.
There's been a couple of times when we've gone through a room or around a corner and I thought to myself, all right, about to get on the ride.
Waiting leads to hunger. Hunger leads to money. Money leads to broke. Broke leads to anger. Anger leads to the dark side. Oh wait, wrong park. Really though, if you need food, don't worry. Stop by Over Theme Pizza, where no one cares about the taste because they're just here for the vibe. Theme ceilings, neon lights, and a look that screams college dorm meets Pizza Hut lobby. It's not about the food, it's about that Instagram selfie. But before you leave, take out that credit card one more time, because epic souvenirs. Mario Cup coffee mugs, because every kid needs their coffee. Monster merch for adults, and Harry Potter wands for everyone. Epic Universe. Universal Studios just put their big boy pants on, while Disney World forgot where they put their wallet. Probably over there with their horrible remix. Epic Universe. We got Nintendo and Harry Potter, so suck it, Disney.